make a Kshatriya style chicken. It's an Andhra style chicken. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe is for 4 to 5 guests. Onto a pot, we need half cup of oil on a medium heat. Thinly sliced garlic 50 grams. How to peel garlic tips are available in my channel. Saute for a minute. Add thin slice of red onions 250 grams. How to peel onions tips are available in my channel. Saute for a minute. Add 15 pieces of peppercorn. 10 green chilies thinly sliced. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add sliced capsicum 150 gram and saute for 6 to 8 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Saute for 30 seconds. Add chicken 750 grams with bone. 1 tablespoon of salt. Combine well. Cover it. Cook for 10 minutes. In between, don't miss out to give a stir. Add 2 cups of water. Gently mix it. And let it simmer until the chicken is soft and tender. When the chicken is soft and tender, check the salt. Add salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of fennel powder. 2 tablespoons of cashew nut powder. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Combine well. 2 sprigs of chopped mint leaves and few curry leaves. Combine well. Turn off the heat. Let the chicken absorb all the flavor from the gravy. The Andhra style Kshatriya chicken, it's ready. The gravy is so good. The flavor from the capsicum, from the chilies, and fennel, the cashew nut, the mint, and a touch of curry leaves. And the chicken, it's really soft. Wow, really beautiful. When you enjoy it, don't miss out to remember me and give me a support by subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. See you with a new video. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.